Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show how to scan any document in your Android phone. For that there are so many scanners present in the Google Play stores. But the one which I am going to suggest you is one of the best scanners for Androids. So go to the Play Store and write here Adobe Scan. I have installed it, so it is asking for opening. But when you will first install it, after it gets installed, you will be asked to sign in. So you just sign in with your Google. Okay, after the process of signing in done, you will get this type of interface. Like now I'm going to scan one document. Like now, according to the border lines, you can adjust from where you want your document to be scanned. So just pull it here. Now you have to click on adjust and save. Okay. Now you can see your document. It is very fresh. But there are so many tools you can use, like add page. If you want to add another page, you have to just go on add page. I'm going to show by scanning another page. So take another photo or select from photos. If you have already photos, if you have taken your photos, you have to click on the second option. But if you want to take photo immediately, click on this one. Like the border will be made automatically. Now you have to adjust the border. Okay. Now adjust and save. Okay. Now I'm talking about another feature like crop. You can crop. Suppose if border is not right, so you can just crop and then again adjust the borders. Okay. Then there is an option of rotating. You can rotate it singly. If I want to rotate this document, I will click on it like 90-degree right direction, this one. In the same way you can rotate this one 90-degree right. Okay. Like resize filters. If you click on this option filter, you will get many options like original. Okay. So this is original. Auto color, light text, like black and white if you want. Okay. Then whiteboard. So according to your convenience, you can take any of these pictures. So for now I'm going to take it original, then clean up, markup and delete. So you have these tools, and these tools are enough for scanning any document. Now there is save PDF. Before that, if you want to rename it, you can rename it also, like document. I'm writing it document 27 January 2022. Now I will click on save PDF. As far as more features of Adobe Scan are concerned, you will have the record of these scanned PDFs. Suppose you scan this today, and if you want this 1 year later, then you can get it from here. Okay, you will not need to scan it again. Like I had scanned it earlier, this one, so many things. So this is how it works. If you find it useful, download it and use it for your document scanning. If you want such types of videos, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos notification. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.